Who stops my threads? I have some threads fishing into a queue for jobs, something like this. Now, self.terminated is just a bool value I use to exit the loop, but this is the problem. Several times in a day they stop working without my intervention. All of them but one. The application starts with, let's say, 5 working threads, and at random time I check them and one only is working. All the others have both _thread_ initialized and _thread_ stopped fields true. Threads and jobs does not interact with each other. What I should look for? P.S. I understand it's really hard to try to figure out the issue without the actual code, but it's huge. Update, actually queue.empty is the only exception trapped. Guess I believe to let all the jobs internal errors to propagate without kill the threads A, so I'm going to block all the exceptions and see.
As example, an exception inside the loop will stop the thread. Why do you use get_nowait and not get? What if the queue is empty?
If that is the actual code, it's pretty obvious. myQueue.get_nowait raises an exception, empty, when the queue is empty.
Stack Overflow? Smile.
I have 2 suggestions. 1. Get_nowait will raise a queue.empty exception if no items are available. Make sure exceptions aren't killing your threads. 2. Use get instead. Put a none in your queue to signal the thread to exit instead of the Boolean flag. Then you don't need a half-second sleep and you'll process items faster.
If you want to see more, please stay still for